Oh, good girl. Yeah, that too, but what's this? Look at that now. Try.
She might need somebody to put her in it.
Yourself in there for a sec. Here, let's try this out. 2, 3. Ooh!
Oh, your own chair! What do you think? Woo! He's like, do you think I'm going to sit down for 5 minutes?
Hang on. Hold
that crazy.
Thought. Hold that thought. There. Oh, no. Where's the things? Oh, there are no things. Look. Blue triangle. Uh-huh. Okay. That's functional. More. Perfect spot for having a read. Ooh. Not looking good.